Ramadan is a month of mercy and responsibility, a time when giving carries deeper meaning and greater reward. Across the regions we serve, poverty is intensifying and orphan children are in urgent need. This is not a short-term crisis. Last Ramadan, your generosity changed lives. Thousands of families received food assistance. Children accessed vital medical treatment. Widowed mothers were supported with the essential services their families rely on. And through your Sadaqah Jariyah, luminous star centers were opened. Housing complexes were built, creating safe homes and long-term systems of care for orphan children and their families. This Ramadan, the need remains. Your support can provide urgent aid to families in great need and help build futures rooted in care, compassion, and hope. Donate now